Hey, what's up, guys? Today we are looking at Book 6 of the Odyssey, lines 160 to 180. We'll start with line 160. Remember, it's Odysseus who has just encountered Nausicaa on the shore, and he is thinking of things to say. So here he says to her, "U garpo toi u tonego idon ophthalmoisin." He says to her, "Not ever, Po, such a thing have I seen ophthalmoisin with my eyes." So let's go back. Not yet have I seen such a thing with my eyes, neither a man nor a woman. And a sebas, a holy reverence, eche, holds m, which should be me, the pronoun me, which means me. So a holy reverence holds me fast. And then we have a participle which modifies the me. So if you look in here, you have the prefix "as," and then you have the verb horao that's in here. So holds me while I am looking upon you. And then he gets to this part with Delos, right? At Delos, the island of Delos, right? Pote, at some time, once upon a time, right? Such a thing, right? Para, next to the altar of Apollo, there's a genitive, right? Remember, para plus the dative means at the side of. So next to the altar, at the side of the altar of Apollo, right? Such a thing. What kind of thing? A neon, a young airnos, sprout, shoot of a palm tree, phoenikos. There's a genitive singular again, right? On erchomenon, right? Coming up. So erchomai, to go or to come, and ana, meaning up. Enoesa, to know. So I knew, I saw it, right? I took notice of this thing because I had gone there at Kesa. So I went from erchomai Amy Aelthon, right? I went Kesa to that place. This adverb is usually ekese with an epsilon in the front. So I went there, kai, also, de, and polus, this is the nominative form, much people, so a lot of people, hespeta, this is from the verb hepomai. The principal parts are hepomai, hepsomai, hespomane, and so you have an aorist here. So much people, many people followed, and when you follow someone in Greek, they have to be in the dative case. So followed moi, followed me. Tain hadon hey. And the best way to translate this is something like on the journey on which Melen, something was about to, future infinitive, happen, moi, to me. And what are those things that are about to happen? Okay, these kakakedea, right? These evil concerns, these terrible concerns for me were about to take place. Hos dautos. In the same way, also, Edon, having seen that thing which is the ernos, right? The sprout of the palm tree, right? This is neuter and it's accusative. 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 Having seen that thing, e te the peya, right? I was amazed, thumo, in my thumos, Dane, for a long time, epe, because upo, the same upo that you had up here. Okay, so not yet had something come. This is ana plus erkomai. Not yet had such a thing come up, ana, ek gaies, from the earth. And then we find out what this modifies. So toyon, such a doru. Now, doru in another context is the word for spear. In this context, it'll just mean tree. So let's go back here. Because not yet had such a tree sprung up from the earth. Hos, that's the way. Thusly, in the same way, you, O woman, agamai, right? Thus, in the same way, I wonder at you, right? I both wonder at you and te, and I am amazed. So this verb, te thepa, is the same one as we have up here, at te thepea, right? I am amazed at you. Te, and on top of that, right? I was afraid, this is from Dato, I was afraid terribly, I was terribly afraid to grasp you. This is the verb hapto. Hapto, and you can see from this psi, I've got the psi alpha, I've got the aorist tense. So I was afraid, I was terribly afraid to take hold of a genitive of your knees, de, and a kalapon, a really difficult suffering, hikane, comes upon me. And let's just do 170, right? Kthizos, this is the adverb meaning yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, right? Kosto, right? On the, right? So this is going to be a dative of time when, right? On the 20th Heimati, on the 20th day, Fugon, feyugo feyuxomai efugon, right? I fled, I got away from the oinopaponton, the wine dark sea. So there you go, guys. Lines 160 to 170 in Book 6 of Homer's Odyssey, WBCH, BC High Radio.